Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing this wig sent to me from Ashimary Hair. I think that's how you say it, Ashimary Hair. So yeah, Ashimary Hair sent me this wig in 24 inches and it's a 613 13x4 wig, and I curled it and did a middle part, as you can see. So this wig was super easy to install. I didn't do the ball cap method. I kind of went into depth on how I got it to look so natural here in this area. But yeah, this was a pretty quick and easy install. I didn't really have any trouble or tangling with the hair. Now this does shed a little bit, but not too much. So yeah, it was pretty easy to install. I didn't really have any troubles. And this hair is super good. The 613, the hair wasn't really on the thin side. It's pretty much a normal density. So I believe this is 180. If not, I'll have it put here. All the information if I, said it incorrectly. But yeah, this is the hair and it's super cute. I did some curls and kind of brushed them out. But yeah, let's get right into the install. So first what you want to do is grab any conditioner that you have. And then you're going to take some honey brown dye from Kiss. I used 3 different ones, but this one only because it came out lighter, so I used 2 different ones, which came from Adore. So you're going to use that. And here you can see me just mixing and adding more conditioner just to get it to the color I want it to get to. So now it's the color that I want. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the frontal lightly and spread it all over. So once you let it sit, you're going to go ahead and rinse it off with cold water just so the dye won't stain the lace. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and tone the wig in the mixture that I have next to it, which is definitely just hot water and purple shampoo. And I'm going to keep redipping it just to get it to the color I want, because I don't want a yellowish color on my wig. So I'm going to keep dipping it. Now that I blow dried the wig, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Once you put it on, you're going to go ahead and cut the ear tabs as well, just to make sure it fits accordingly to the size of your head. Take your lace glue protector spray, go ahead and spread it over and add the glue. And then you're going to blow dry as well, just to make sure it turns clear. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and push the wig down up on the glue and add some spray, holding spray on that as well, just to make sure it's more tacky once you begin drying it as well. Now once dry, you're going to remove the band and start cutting the lace. Now this part, you're just making any corrections to the lace on any areas that is lifting. Once you cut the lace off, you're going to add some holding spray and then re-put the band on and dry. Since I'm doing the middle part, I'm going to go ahead and part the middle down and start adding my products up on the hairline and spraying it down and hot combing as well. Alright, so this is the lace so far, pretty good. Now what we're going to do is start by correcting a part, and we're going to do the baby hairs. So after you got your baby hairs in sections, you're going to start by cutting them off. And then once you cut each and every baby hair off, you're going to curl them with a mini 1.5 ceramic flat iron. and you're gonna start to lay them down. And also dry them, of course. Alright, so this is my favorite part, removing the lace band and adding that makeup just to define the part and to make the install look 10 times better. Now all that's finished, we're going to start with the styling. Now I'm going to curl the hair. So y'all, this is the finished product. Let me show y'all with the lights dim down some. This is the finished product, you already know. And now I'm just gonna take this comb and I'm gonna comb through this. Y'all, it's so cute. I love it. I really ate that. Yes, y'all, this hair is so cute.